Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together. It's so beautiful winter. But I feel a little lonely.
Sam, it's such a beautiful day and you're sitting at home. Get outside.
Outside? Go for a walk. Sure, I'm coming. Hi, friends. What are your names?
I'm Dottie. This is Spot. Come on, let's go build a snowman.
Hey, wait for me.
My snowman is ready.
My snowman is ready too.
I don't want to make a snowman. I'm making a snow angel.
A snow angel? That's cool. I want to try too.
Guys, let's play snowball fight.
Friends, look. There's a whole winter wonderland over there.
Wow,
Let's hurry over there.
it's so slippery here. Oh no, help me. Whoa, oh no.
Yeah, I agree. It's super slippery here. Everyone's sliding around on these blade things.
They're not blades. They're ice skates. People are skating here.
My feet are freezing. Let's keep moving. Oh no, whoa.
Sam, have you ever licked an icicle? I wonder if it's sweet.
Icicle. Oh no,
Hey, boys. Let's go sledding.
this is incredible. I could sled all day.
You haven't even tried snowboarding yet.
Sledding is the best winter activity.
Guys, stop arguing. Look at this. Someone built a house out of ice.
It's a real ice cave. It's so cold here. I'll turn into an icicle any second.
Come on, let's go get some hot chocolate before we freeze.
Oh, hot chocolate. So warm, so delicious. Spot, why aren't you having any hot chocolate?
I don't want to. Let's catch snowflakes. It's much yummier.
Enough snow. Let's go sledding. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.